Unicorn, get ready to touch the real clouds!
Today, the whole Purrington family will be in the clouds. Ready for your first plane flight, kids?
Yes! Of course, Dad. Do you think clouds taste like cotton candy?
Who knows? Maybe we can find out when we're up in the sky. If, of course, you can pack your suitcases quickly.
All done already. Ta-da!
It looks like we can't do without Roombaroo's help.
Dad, if clouds are so fluffy, why don't they fall from the sky?
Well, Cleo, clouds are light and the sky's their home. They love it up there.
I like being up top too. I'm going to live there. Me too, and I want to.
Everyone who wants to be in the clouds must bring their suitcases.
Well, it seems the Purringtons are ready for their big adventure. Here is where our adventure begins. Look, kids, it's a magical airport.
Is that where they keep the clouds, Dad?
No, sweetheart. That's where they talk to the planes.
And they tell them where to fly?
Exactly, Theo.
Remember, kittens, airports are busy places. We need to stick together.
Don't worry, Mom. We'll look after Ollie. Look, Ollie. It's a magic carpet for bags. Will our bags fly with us? Will they get window seats too?
Oh, they'll be very comfortable in the luggage compartment, dear.
Oops. And this little suitcase we'll take with us.
Bye! Have a good flight!
We put our bags on this belt, and they go through a real X-ray machine. It's like a big camera that can see through things.
Will it see my unicorn toy, Dad?
Yes, Ollie, it will. And it will make a special kind of picture of your toy. Don't be scared. It's our Roombaroo. Even rubber wagons need to pass the security test.
Look, that's my unicorn! Oh, and that's your airplane, Theo. See? Say cheese, Theo. They'll take your photo.
So, the Purringtons are just a little bit away from meeting the clouds. Onwards, brave travelers.
Welcome aboard, Purringtons. I see we have some first-time flyers and a very excited unicorn.
Yes, we're on a grand adventure, and I can't wait to see the clouds up close. We might even get to touch them.
You will definitely be able to greet them and wave your hand.
Bet I can spot more cloud animals than you. Challenge accepted. But remember, unicorns don't count.
But the most points will only go to those who are buckled up.
In just a few minutes, kids, you'll see so many clouds that you won't be able to count them.
We are really flying. Look, there's our house. And there's the park where we play. in the sky, Mrs. Wingtip?
Only when I'm working, dear.
Does that mean you have cloud friends?
Absolutely. You can wave at them from the window.
Wow! I see a big elephant! And I see a fish blowing bubbles!
And I see the wonderful cat family living in the cloud house.
Where? I can't see.
There it is. And they have the most beautiful mom, the wisest dad, and a very smart girl, and 2 naughty little brothers.
Huh? Dad, this cloud family sounds a lot like ours.
Really? Maybe you're right, Ollie.
Mom, my ears are popping.
That's just the plane going down, Cleo. Try yawning.
I think I just yawned bigger than you, Cleo. No way, Theo. My yawn was bigger.
Ladies, gentlemen, and kittens, we're beginning our descent and we'll be landing soon. Remember, kittens, it's like a bird gently landing on a branch.
Goodbye, Purringtons. I hope to see you on another sky adventure.
Thank you, Mrs. Wingtip. We'll never forget our first flight. See you, clouds. Someday, I'll still get to taste you.